Start with a warm welcome and a brief introduction to the topic. Mention the importance of understanding ovulation for those trying to conceive or practicing contraception. Point 1. Know your menstrual cycle. Explain that ovulation occurs in the middle of your menstrual cycle. Discuss the typical menstrual cycle length, which is around 28 days, but can vary. Emphasize that tracking your cycle is essential. Point 2. Start with day 1. Explain that the first day of your menstrual bleeding is considered day 1 of your cycle. Point 3. Calculate your cycle length. Instruct viewers to record the number of days between the start of one period to the start of the next for a few months. Highlight that cycle length can vary and may not always be the same. Point 4. Determine your ovulation window. Mention that the ovulation window is usually around the midpoint of the cycle. To find it, subtract 14 from your average cycle length. For example, if your cycle is 28 days, subtract 14 to get 14. Your ovulation window is around day 14. Point 5. Use ovulation prediction kits. OPKs. Explain that OPKs can help pinpoint ovulation more accurately. Describe how to use OPKs by following the package instructions. Point 6. Monitor basal body temperature. BBT. Discuss how a woman's basal body temperature rises slightly after ovulation. Instruct viewers to use a basal thermometer and take their temperature every morning before getting out of bed. Point 7. Track cervical mucus changes. Explain that cervical mucus changes in consistency throughout the menstrual cycle. Describe how to observe and record these changes. Point 8. Pay attention to ovulation symptoms. Mention common symptoms like mild pelvic pain, breast tenderness, or heightened senses. Stress that these symptoms are not definitive but can be additional indicators. Point 9. Keep an ovulation calendar. Encourage viewers to create an ovulation calendar. Use a calendar or a smartphone app to track cycle length, OPK results, BBT, and other relevant data. Point 10. Be patient. Remind viewers that it may take a few months of tracking to accurately predict ovulation. Highlight the importance of patience and persistence. Conclusion. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Remind viewers that understanding their ovulation cycle can be helpful whether they are trying to conceive or manage contraception. End with a call to action. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and share the video. Invite them to ask questions or share their experiences in the comment section.